Talk to entry team. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in.
Police, get down!
Just please don't hurt me.
Hands up! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon and get down slowly! Drop the weapon now! Freeze!
Policía! Policía!
Oh no. No.
I don't listen to pigs!
No, what?
Hands up! Drop to your
I'm not doing
knees!
shit! Fuck you!
Hands up!
Gringo!
You're not one of them, are you?
Element to talk. The suspect is down.
Talk reporting. Roger that. Continue with your mission.
You've got to get me out of here!
Lead to talk. We got a dead suspect here.
Talk to element. Affirmative, entry team.
Hey, wait.
You're not one of them, are you?
Cops!
Entry team to talk. We have one suspect down.
This is Talk. Talk copies all. Proceed with your mission.
Don't shoot!
You can take your gun.
Keep your hands up!
Stop! I'm so scared.
Drop the weapon and put your hands on your...
You're gonna be okay.
Drop the weapon now! Talk. Suspect is incapacitated.
Talk to entry team. Copy. Clean house and we'll take them out.
Element to talk. Suspect is bleeding out, needs medical aid.
This is
You
Talk.
guys are the
Copy.
police, right?
EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Lead to talk. Suspect is down, but breathing.
Talk to entry team. Affirmative. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
Entry team to talk. One suspect down, requesting immediate medical.
Talk to element. Roger that. Medical assistance is standing by.